Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Benna, and on this channel, I share delicious, healthy recipes and tips for eating and staying healthy. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please go ahead and subscribe. Join the family. You're so welcome. And thank you all to my returning subscribers. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I bake this delicious sweet potatoes in the air fryer. As well, I'm going to be sharing three ways in which you can top up these delicious root vegetables. Sweet potatoes are absolutely healthy. They are a superfood. They are packed with vitamins, especially vitamin A, which is great for boosting our immune system. We all know how it's important to boost our immune system, especially in these times that we are living in. If this is something you want to see how I do it, please make sure you keep on watching. So these are some of the ingredients we will need for our air fryer baked sweet potatoes to stuff it up. I'm just going to run you through a list of these ingredients, and as we start to cook, I will share some more with you. So right here we have our sweet potatoes. I already scrubbed them down because we're going to be baking with the skin, so it's important that you scrub them down. These are not the very best sweet potatoes, but you know what? I love them. And I also have my kidney beans here. I just cooked this up already. I have here some extra lean ground turkey. You can use ground beef, you can use ground chicken as well. I have some quinoa here. Now I have some bacon. You want to try using bacon in your chili. Trust me, it tastes so good, so delicious. I already went ahead and chopped it up, and I also removed some of the fats in the bacon, and it's low sodium bacon as well. I have my chickpeas right here. It's been boiled, my salt and black pepper. Over here I have my homemade tomato paste. I have my onion. I went ahead and chopped it up. I have my green bell peppers. I also chopped it up. If you don't like bell peppers, maybe you can substitute this with some celery. I have my garlic. I love garlic in my chili. I have some spinach over here, and in here I have some spice blends. So here I have some onion powder, I have some paprika, fennel seeds, cumin powder, oregano, chili powder, and some chicken bouillon seasoning. Now let's get cooking. So I'm going to start first by air frying our sweet potatoes. So first I'm going to just spray it with some avocado oil right here. You just want to spray just a little bit and just massage it. I'm also going to use a little bit of salt. Just sprinkle it on top like this and just massage it with the olive oil, because you don't want your potatoes to bake and then drying out, just like so. And then we place it in an air fryer. So once our sweet potatoes is in the air fryer baking, we are going to proceed to start cooking up our chili. It's going to be the first stuffing that we're going to stuff our baked potatoes with. So I did go ahead and soak my kidney beans. I'm using the red kidney beans. I soaked it overnight and then I boiled it. I usually boil this and then I keep some in the freezer for days that I really have no time to cook them up from scratch. You can also go ahead and buy your kidney beans in a can if you wish, or any other beans that you prefer for your chili. Now we are going to proceed next to start cooking our bacon. We're going to cook our bacon until it's crispy and golden brown. Transfer it into a plate. I'll use the same oil to start sauteing our vegetables. So with the onion and the green bell peppers, I'll start with that before I proceed to add in the rest of the ingredients. So please just watch as I complete this. So while our chili is on the other side simmering, we also have our sweet potatoes in the air fryer currently baking. I'm just going to proceed to start making our avocado salsa. So right here with me, I have some 2 mini avocados. I also have my lime. We're going to use the juice from the lime. You can also use juice from lemon, or both of them. It's really up to you. I have my mini bell pepper. I also have my ground cumin, salt, and pepper. So please watch me as I put this. Now we are going to proceed to prep our second stuffing for our sweet potatoes. So I did leave some garlic and onion from the chili. I left a little bit, so I'm going to just saute that in here. Basically, I have some quinoa, some cooked quinoa that I had left over in the fridge, and I also have my chickpeas that I also cooked. I will be sharing a recipe for this chickpeas as well, so make sure you be in the lookout for that. So this right here is just a simple vegetarian stuffing for those baked sweet potatoes. So I'm just putting in everything and I'm just gonna season it. I'm using here some dried parsley, some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and some paprika, just with some pepper flakes. Just do you any spices that you prefer, and that's it for our stuffing number 2. So it's now time to eat, everyone, and you are all invited to join. I'm just going to proceed and stuff the sweet potatoes. So our first stuffing is going to be our air fryer baked potatoes with some chili and avocado salsa. This is such a delicious combo. It is a sweet, spicy, cold, crunchy combo, so yummy. And number 2 is going to be a vegetarian stuffing. This is just some chickpeas, some quinoa, and spinach. You can use any seasoning of your choice. And number 3 is just some unsalted butter melted in the sweet potatoes. You can also do melted cheese. You can just do you whatever you prefer. I hope that this gave you some options. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please stay well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.